Look at all these shades of pink from Coach. I'll tell you all about them with side-by-side comparisons so you can find and identify your favorite shades of pink. Welcome back to returning viewers, and if you're new, hello and welcome to Bag Feels, where I do bag reviews and comparisons that focus on feel, design, practicality, and value. Today I'm going to show you everything I have from Coach in a shade of pink. I'm going to start out with the lightest pink shade that I know of from Coach, and that is in the blush color. This is the small Ava crossbody from the Coach outlet, and it looks very much like a cream color, but I'm going to compare it next to Chalk for you. This is Coach Chalk, so you can see that it does have just a little bit of pink. And this is the blush small Ava crossbody, and I forgot what the name of this card case is, but I'll put it on the screen for anyone curious. And I have two more things in the blush. This little backpack charm from the Coach outlet is also in blush with the rosette pattern, and this notebook from the Coach outlet is also in that blush with the rosette pattern. This notebook is actually in the cherry blossom color. This is more of a true pink color. Here is a tabby charm in the peony color, and this one is more of the mauve purple leaning. So let's show that next to the cherry blossom and you'll see what I mean. And I do also have one more peony item, and that would be this scarf. And I'm not very good at tying bows. That's probably obvious, but it actually took me probably 20 tries to make it look sort of okay. This is a Rogue 25 with the pink elephants on the signature jacquard, and this is not canvas, it's actually embroidery. Here's another scarf. I don't actually know the shade of pink this is, but this was a tea rose scarf edition. Here is the new powder pink zip card case from the Coach outlet. So you have the powder pink in canvas and vachetta leather trim. And this one is actually kind of special because it does have a little tea rose charm for the zipper pull. So if you're familiar with my videos, you know this chain is going to come off because I don't like having the chain hanging off of the wallet, but I'm keeping it on so you can see what it looks like from the store. This one is an older design from the Coach outlet. The pattern on this is actually called Spaced Wildflower. And the pink color on this, I'm actually going to have to guess because I don't know for sure, but I believe that this is carnation pink, and there's currently a lot of carnation pink items on the Coach outlet right now. Not this one because this was discontinued a while ago, but there are some others if you like that very light pink. It's also very similar to Candy Pink. I used to have a Rogue 17 that I'll put on the screen, and that was in the Candy Pink, and I sold that one a while ago, but that is a very sweet light pink color. I believe this one is currently available on the Coach outlet. Today is March 31st, 2026, and this color is in the Petal Pink. There's also a bag called a Maggie tote that is in the same signature leather pattern with the embossing. So Petal Pink on this one. And this is the medium corner zip wallet. This is the dark peach color, which when I ordered it, I thought that it would be pink, but it does, especially when it's next to other pink items, definitely lean more orange or even just like a light brown color is how it looks to me. Let's look at it next to that Petal Pink medium corner zip wallet. This is a wristlet clutch that it didn't specify which pink color it came in, it just said pink. So I don't know what color this is, but it almost looks a little bit more brown until you get to the wristlet strap, the hang tag, and the inside, which I believe this is the melon pink color on the inside. And this is kind of cool because there's like glitter details in this edging that goes all the way around, as well as on the wristlet strap. And I always like those sparkly details that Coach puts in here. There's also very tiny sparkles within the bows and the flowers in this design. And speaking of melon, I do have an Isla crossbody in the melon color. This is so beautiful and it feels amazing. This is from the Coach outlet, and for anyone who may not know, the Coach outlet has specific bags made just for the outlet. It's not an outlet in the traditional sense where you have the overstock or seconds from the main store that go to the outlet and then get discounted. They actually make bags, design items for the Coach outlet. And this is one of those. I can tell by the logo here. And to me, I feel like this particular piece is just as luxurious as one would get at the Coach retail boutique, even though this one is from the Coach outlet. So this is the Isla in the melon color. Here is a brand new release. It's the Tabby 19 chain crossbody. That's also called the Quilted Tabby wristlet. And this is in the flower pink color. And Coach actually has a color that's called bubblegum. It's not this one, it's a different one. But if I were to name this shade, I would name it bubblegum because that's how it looks to me. So if you like that bubblegum pink, check out flower pink. It's just wonderful. And I do a more detailed review on this bag in another video. I'm including this bag. This is a quilted pillow Madison, and this is in the light coral color, which kind of, yeah, it's more of an orangey color than melon, but it looks pink to me until I have it next to pink bags, basically. So I wanted to include it in this video. I have this large rowan in the powder pink from the Coach outlet. I have a lot to say about this particular bag, so I'm going to do another video devoted just to this bag. It's the powder pink, just like the matching zip card case with the vachetta trim. This bag is still new with tags, and I haven't used it yet because I want to treat that vachetta trim and handles before I do anything with it. So that will be included in the video on just the large rowan. Oh, and here is a tea rose charm that actually comes with the powder pink rowan. I took it off because I was comparing it to some other pink shades that I had here. And this little mini backpack I got on Amazon a while ago. I'd love to give you a link, but when I checked, it was a discontinued item, so it's no longer available. Now let's do some side-by-side comparisons. Here is the pink petal from the Coach outlet, and here is the charm that comes with that powder pink rowan. Pink petal next to the dark peach, and the powder pink, and the peony, and next to the blush, next to the cherry blossom, next to the flower pink, next to melon, and I'll put it next to that mystery pink that I think is either carnation or candy pink. If you know better, would you please let me know in the comments which pink color it is that comes with this Spaced Wildflower zip card case. And I brought this one out just to show it because I have seen this exact card case. It's called a Mini Skinny ID. I've seen this exact case when photographed almost look like it was pink, but this is actually in the lilac color, so it's a more purple. But I wanted to show it next to the Petal pink just for reference. The Melon and Flower pink. The Melon and the Blush. The Melon next to Dark Peach. There is another color from Coach called Peach. You know, these colors are almost the same. These are probably the most similar colors that I have in this collection. Melon and Dark Peach. So I wonder if the regular peach color would be even closer. Melon and Powder Pink. Let's do the Flower Pink against the new Powder Pink from the Coach outlet. This is the flower that comes with this large Rowan bag back here, and these look almost identical, if not the same shade of color, the Flower Pink and this Flower Charm. Flower Pink next to the Blush. Flower Pink and Peony. Flower Pink and the Light Coral. I'm turning it so the camera will hopefully pick up those true colors better. They are a little bit brighter in person than they're showing right now on the camera. There we go. That's the true to color right there. The Flower Pink and the Light Coral. The Flower Pink and the Dark Peach. The Flower Pink and the one that I believe is either Carnation or Candy Pink. When I say the color, I'm talking about this part here, the leather part of it. So there are more pink colors that I don't have here, and I'm going to put them on the screen. So if you're interested in these pink colorways, you could check them out. There's Bubblegum, Fuchsia, Dragon Fruit, Vivid Pink, True Pink, Confetti Pink, Dusty Pink, Primrose, Peach, Sable, Coral, and Taffy. So I'd love to know what you guys think. Which is your favorite pink? Did you get any items from the latest Powder Pink release, or the Flower Pink release, or the Carnation Pink release? Let me know in the comments, and I've got lots more videos coming, so feel free to mosey on over to my channel and check it out. Thank you for watching.